smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Early morning. Very cool. Should be a warm day today, but yeah, it's starting off fairly cool. I'm here south of Redhill. So today we go past Gatwick. Fellow walker out early. First bit of the walk, fairly straight and easy. He's on this big concrete bridleway. It makes sense that your local cycling club actually sits on a cycle lane. Good morning, day 6 of the trek. Today, the main sort of objective, we've done fairly early I think, is to get past Gatwick Airport, keep going south, and then I stop around 25 miles away from the ferry port at Newhaven, and I walk one more day so that I have a very short that'll be short Monday morning, so I can catch the ferry Monday morning. But it's a beautiful day and I'm on a very good path. It's actually a cycle path, and yeah, so let's see where the day takes us. It's fairly quiet. We walk along this road into Horley. Passing Horley station, going over a very long railway bridge. Really just touched the edge of Horley, but they still have their private roads. Going through new housing estates, as the route took me, the paths don't exist anymore, so you end up having to get a rough direction and zigzag your way through. But on slightly older roads like this one, it's exactly where the path is taking us. Over the railway again. By the railway, just getting closer to the airport. And now I'm on the outskirts of Gatwick Airport. It says the public footpath is this way. In the North Terminal, looking for some toilets. Find some toilets. Over there. The most bougie toilets I've ever had on a hike. Back on the path again. Through the airport. It's all marked as public footpaths. I'm not sure how many people come down here as we skirt the airport. I'm hoping at some point we actually get to see the airport. Up and over the railway again. Gatwick car park. Yep, I'm right under the flight path. And there are the flight path lights. The path goes through an industrial estate, and the smart building ahead, that's the Civil Aviation Authority. It's called the Beehive, but it actually looks like it could be old enough to be part of a tower. I'm following these 21 cycle route. Whenever you come to a roundabout, and you're a pedestrian, you actually end up walking down one of the side roads, across and back again. We have a simulator inside that building, going through a series of zones. This is zone 3. I've been through 5 and 4 industrial zones outside Gatwick. We lost the cycle route for a while, but now we're back on it. Under the main road and on to Crawley town centre. Crawley town centre, all recently done up. Leaving via the bus station. Leaving Crawley, southbound, heading towards the coast. This housing could be in any town, anywhere in the UK. Into the Tollgate Forest and Park just south of Crawley, but it's also right through the middle of the golf course. But this one has pretty big paths to get you through. You just have to work out which way the fairways are. It's a lovely golf course. Beautiful pines everywhere. At least there's a little bit of hills, but the path goes all the way through. Over the golf course, and then we deal with the M23. We're on high enough ground, so just a bridge for walkers. M23 traffic. Into the woods, albeit on a big path, but all you can hear are the birds and a bit of traffic. We're just staring at each other. A great thin path, walking through the green trees estate. So the estate is hired out for a wedding today. Having gone through the estate, we just get a little bit of country road walking before we get to the next estate. All close to the fence. Hello. I've been hearing this road for a while. It seems to have a lot of traffic on it. No, it's called London Road. That might be the reason. A boardwalk. Oh, how I've missed these. Very new. Interesting colour water. Coming into the beautiful little village of Balcombe. Its tiny high street. This is Ardingly Reservoir. Looks pretty nasty, but more importantly, looks very low. A nice wooded path beside Ardingly Reservoir. It's a weekend, there are people out every now and again. Not just humans. Methinks we've had a horse. Lots of people out today.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.